Kaya pala guys, maingay yung fire truck. Kita niyo yung smoke dyan. Saang banda kaya yan? Yung may sunog. Madaming restaurants dyan. At saka hotel. Hindi ko alam saan talaga banda yan. In Jesus' name. Wala pa namang nagpapaputok. Bakit ganyan yan? Daming mga nakapark. Kapal ng usok doon. Hopefully maging okay yan guys. Dumami yung apoy. Dalawang fire truck yun eh. Kaya siguro. Correct. There are hotels there, boss. And then restaurants, I think.
You don't know.
In Jesus' name. Hopefully it will be okay, Lord. Mama Mary, protect us. But it will be okay. There are more trucks now there passing by here. That's in front of the church. Maybe additional truck because I heard praying for the safety, Lord. Sana walang nasaktan in Jesus' name. Yeah. In Jesus' name. Sa main road yan guys, I'm sure. Marami kasing mga kainan dyan. Kaya wala kasing nakapagsabi sa amin. Nakita lang namin may mga truck, fire truck na nag-pass by. Kala ko drill lang. Tsaka nakita namin yung usok. Hopefully walang nasasaktan. Please, Lord.